Creating a mobile application on Wix app. In this video, you are going to learn how to create mobile app in Wix. First, go to the Wix application from your mobile phone. An icon like this will appear on your screen. By clicking on that, you will see a screen like this. From here, go to the search bar and search for the store you want to make. Now, the first question is, what type of store would you like? Select the store you want to add. For example, I'm selecting the cosmetic shop. Now click on the next. You will see another option that says, what is your store called? Now set a name for your store and you will be able to move next. Now in the next section, the question is what you would like to add to your SY International. You have added the name SY International as your store. Now from here, add anything you want to add. Now select the option that says groups. Now I'm selecting this. Now I can also select bookings, groups, and anyone I want to like. So from here, I will go to the next option. Here I will add the photo of the product I want to add, then product name, and then product price. And after adding all the information, I will tap on the option that says add. You will do the same and the screen will appear. You have to wait that it will take some time to create your website. Then you will see the notification that how you can grow your business. A mobile app can boost site engagement as users can instantly stay updated through push notification and chat. Now, after it has been downloaded, you will easily be able to use it in future. Thanks for watching.